A very good morning to class 3s. Today I am beginning a new poem, Sounds of the Sea, Chapter 8, written by Rabindranath Tagore. 100 million years from now, if a heavenly boon should suddenly allow the water creatures to find their voice, in this stanza we get to learn that from now, 100 million years from now, if a heavenly boon, which means that if a blessing, should fall on the water creatures, and if the creatures were allowed to speak just like the other animals, that is, if the fishes were allowed to speak just like the other animals, the sea would resound with all sorts of noise. This means that if the water creatures are blessed with voice, in that case, the entire river, the seas, the water bodies will be filled with all sorts of noise, with different kind of sounds from different fishes. The whales would roar. It means that the sound taken out by the whales would be a roaring sound. And all lobsters would bleat. That means the sound made by the lobsters would be the bleating sound. And the hilsa would practice raga so sweet. The sound taken out by the hilsa fish will be that the hilsas would practice the ragas, which would sound very sweet. In the southern breeze, the conch shell would trill. The sound made by the conch shell in the southern breeze would be the trilling sound. And the porpoise band play a military drill. And the porpoise would play a military drill. Thank you.